Stop buying expensive soap. You're literally wasting your money on something you can easily make at home for a fraction of the price. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make liquid soap at home in just minutes. It's super easy, all natural, and budget friendly. Plus, it smells amazing. Stay tuned till the end because I'll share a secret ingredient that makes your soap even better than any store-bought. How much do you usually spend on soap? Would you rather save money by making your own? Now, I'll be completely honest. I have literally no idea on what these chemicals are. But don't you worry, just go to any common shop where they sell chemicals and say that you need chemicals that will help you make liquid soap at home. Of course, they'll hook you up. Next, once you have everything, it's just mixing, stirring, and letting it sit. And in no time, you'll have a huge batch of homemade liquid soap, better and cheaper than store-bought. Want the full step-by-step guide? Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more easy DIYs. The main question to ask yourself is why should you switch to homemade liquid soap? Well, first of all, it's cheaper. A bottle of store soap costs around $5, but homemade soap costs less than $1. Can you imagine it? Also, it's natural, no harsh chemicals, just pure ingredients. Third, you will save a ton of money. In short, you'll never need to buy soap again. Would you like to try this amazing project at home? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried making liquid soap at home? If not, then what's stopping you? Here's the secret ingredient to making your soap even better. Add 1 tablespoon of glycerin for a super silky moisturizing effect. Your hands will thank you. Want more do-it-yourself recipes? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What scent would you actually use to make homemade soap? Is it lavender, lemon, or something else? Please let me know in the comments below. And there you have it, your homemade liquid soap. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment below if you're going to try out this recipe. And finally, subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.